This is a 2012 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Features include 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, dusk-sensing headlights, side impact airbags, dual power seats, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Gene Evans Team Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4355 Jonesboro Road in Union City.